妈，我看到台湾蓝鵲。
哦。啊？是呀哈。What do you see?
You know the bluebirds I've been mentioning. Oh, it flew away.
Oh.
Are you still there? Come here.
I'm getting scared off. Where is it?
哇，终于被我照到台湾蓝鵲了。There. Follow my finger. Wow. Oh, it's so close. Wow. I'm shivering now. Yeah, they always come together, a couple. There's another one down there.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you bring your camera? Okay.
I just have my cell phone.
Oh, it flew away. Yeah.
哦，会对呀哈。
嘿，它有一对。
有一对蓝鵲，还有水哦。
It flew away. Oh, it's even closer.
哦，好美哦！真的好美哦！哎呦！
哦，
太美了吧！
昨天才提到说，哎呀，要拍到蓝鵲好难哦。
哎呦，假好看！
哎呀，
真的很漂亮哎！
哇，
它长得很漂亮哎！
你现在看到很美啊，也有另外一只在那边，它有2只。哎，它很高，好像很快乐的感觉。啊，这里当成自己的。
哎呦！
啊，好美，好美，好美。哎，你看，好快乐哦。
它还会跳呢。它上次一个那个矮矮的。哎呦，真好，真好。
哦。Wow. Do you see that?
Yeah. 好漂亮哦。
Wow. 飞走了。哇。